All right, here I have a 2023 Audi Q5 with a 2.0 liter engine, and I'm going to show how to do your oil change real quick. You want to take off this cover, which just pulls off, and it reveals your oil filter here. The oil filter is a 32 millimeter. And then when you put it back, the torque is actually right there. It says 25 Newton meters or plus 5. This is the oil filter I used. It's an STP, but here's some other ones. If you're like going to like Walmart or something, like Fram, this is the part number. The Hangst is the one that makes the oil filters, I believe, for Audi, and those are two different part numbers. I think one of them has like the O-ring and one of them does not. But then at the bottom here, to get to the drain plug, you gotta remove this cover, which is like 11 or 12, 13 Torx 25s. And this is how it looks like. And then this is the oil drain plug. It's just like a plastic plug, and then you need like a special tool like this one to remove it, or you could just use a flathead. All right, and then here's your a bunch of tapes, 5.5 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic. And then because it has no dipstick, you gotta check your engine oil level through here, through the settings. You gotta press home until you're here, press vehicle, go to settings and service, and then go down and oil level. And then you want to read this, which is basically saying you want to let the engine warm up until it's full operating temperature, then turn it off, wait 2 minutes, and then it will show you your oil level. And that's how you check that. And then to reset your service interval, you just go back, go up, service intervals, and then reset it right there, and just press yes. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.